Welcome back to Kuha's Joe. And as you saw in the intro, today we'll be making a whiskey flavored chicken. So, if this is your first time here, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here before, well, welcome back. And if you've been here before, or if you're brand new, if you like this video, hit that like button. So, anyway, let's move on to our recipe now, which you are all here for. So as you see, I'm just cutting the chicken here into little cubes. This will be your first step. The cubes can be whatever size you want. You can see the size I'm cutting them. I find this to be an easy size for like a bite. So that is how I'm going to do it. So while I finish cutting the chicken, I'm just going to let you listen to little music, and I will be back for the next step. Now it is time to cook our chicken and blend the chicken with all those delicious flavors. So I do not show it in this video, but I did put avocado oil on the bottom of the pan. If you want to see how much avocado oil I put down on the bottom of the pan, go back and check out a previous video. And if you like that previous video, make sure you hit that like button on those videos too. But let's move on. So as you see, I just put some soy sauce down onto the chicken. Now, this is all 1/8 what I'm using, so make it nice and easy. And now this is some apple cider vinegar that I am now putting in here. And now we are going to grab the part that we're all waiting for, our whiskey. I'm using Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey. I bought this myself. I'm not endorsed by Jack Daniel's or anything else. This is just my preference of what to use. You can use whatever kind you like. Like I said, this is just my preference. I'm not endorsed or nothing by Jack Daniel's. This is just what I'm going to use for this recipe. So now, as you see, now we are just going to blend the flavors in with the chicken by stirring it up and about here. And I'm going to take a little bit of minced garlic and just sprinkle it over. You can put as much as you want. It really depends on how much you want. And we're just going to do the same thing with the minced onion. You want to put a little more, a little less. You know, it's your preference, what you prefer and what you like. So now, as you see, we are going to just mix this chicken until it gets like nice and brownish. So as I mix, enjoy a little bit of more music, and I will be back for the next step. Alright, now as you see, it's starting to turn a little bit brown. So what we are going to do now is we're going to put one last ingredient, ketchup. Now, as you see, you're just going to put the ketchup like so. Just kind of cover the chicken. This will give it a little bit more flavor to it. And as you see, now we're just going to, again, stir the mixture together. So you blend all those flavors together. So when it is time for the next step, again, I will be back. So enjoy a little bit more music. So now I did not show the entire time I cooked. You might have to cook it a little bit more than that, but what you can do is you can take a meat thermometer like I have here. You can test and see if your chicken is the right temperature, which is about 165, which means it's cooked through. You don't want anything less than 165. If it's more, you know, that's perfectly fine. That just means it's cooked a little bit better. Like I said, nothing less than 165. And I will flip this around right now so you can see what I have mine at. So see, this one is 176, 178 about. So, you know, it's a little high, which is totally fine. You just cooked a little bit better. You see this one is 168, 167. So this one is perfectly fine too. A little less, but still cooked. So anyway, that has concluded today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And I do want to mention, though, you notice I did not make any sides with this. You can make any kind of sides you want. You can use those steamable vegetable bags, whatever you prefer. I just did not choose to make a side with this. I did make some cauliflower, so you can use whatever kind of side you want. But anyways, I always say, enjoy and smacznego.